Want to disable the integrated graphics on your PC? Here is how you can do it. This is the Windows Club. PC users, especially gamers with both the integrated and dedicated GPU installed on their system, might experience low FPS probably because the rig or the applications or games running might be using the built-in graphics card. Here we have shown how you can disable the integrated graphics. Let's get started. Method 1. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type dev.mgmt.msc and hit Enter to open Device Manager. Now scroll down through the list of installed devices and expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on the Integrated Graphics device. Select Disable Device from the context menu. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.